Hi, this is Alex King. I'm the founder and CEO at Cestrian Capital Research Inc. I want to talk to you today about our latest service. This is called Cestrian Inner Circle. This is the premium service of all that we offer. We have some low-cost Substacks. We run a great service on Seeking Alpha, but this is our premium offering, and I'd like to walk you through what's in the service. This is brand new for 2023. We launched in January after a great start. Very fast growth in revenues and subscribers for us, and really good outcomes from some of the ideas in the service. So you can find the website at cestrian-inner-circle.ghost.io, or more easily, you can go straight to it from our website, cestriancapitalresearch.com. This is the homepage of the Inner Circle service. So we have two feeds, regular posts that if you're a member, you'll get in your email. We have a market on open note. That's a written market note most days around the open or a little bit before. And in that note, we will walk you through the equity indices. That's the S&P, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell. We walk through the state of crypto, particularly Bitcoin and Ether, and we'll look at where the 10-year Treasury yield is as an indication of direction on risk assets. These notes look like this. So you'll typically see some commentary and then charts, as I just mentioned, for the yield, all of the indices and so on and so forth. And we'll comment on key support and resistance levels. We'll also talk to you about positions in staff personal accounts and how they're going and how we're managing them. Each of our charts you can open up into a full page document so you can more easily view them. This is TradingView we use for the futures, TrendSpider for the equity ETFs, just there. So that's the market on open note. We also produce an awful lot of video content in the service, and one of our most popular features is something called the morning show. So in the morning show, which comes out a couple of times a week, we'll walk through matters of the day in the equity indices, anything else going on the market or the service, and we'll present this in a recorded video, which we'll post on the service that anyone can watch at any time. They typically range from 10 minutes through to 30-ish minutes or so, depending on what's going on the market at that time. And we post all of our videos in the service on reverse date order on the video page right here. Everything posted as private members only YouTube links, and you can access them at any time. So back to the home page. Now, in the service, we focus on not just the equity indices, but also single stock names. And we're doing this in two ways. First of all, single stock write-ups. So on the stocks page right here, you can see recent notes on Cloudflare, Dynatrace, Zscaler, Microsoft, and others. This is updated all the time as earnings are printed, as things happen with the stocks we cover. But you can also see it in the basket of stocks that we've defined. We have two baskets that we defined, and we monitor the core stocks and the high beta stocks. And I should just walk you through how they stand right now. So this is the most recent report. We just put this out today on how those two stock baskets are performing. Let's just look at this right now. So here we have the core stock group. We picked this group on the 7th of February this year. And the group was Microsoft, Taiwan Semiconductor, L3 Harris, a defense stock if you're not familiar, Dynatrace, software business, and NVIDIA. And as a basket, they've done really fantastically well. NVIDIA's outperformed, of course, but overall as a basket, up 26 points since the February inception versus 14 points for the NASDAQ and about 4 points for the S&P. We also put together a high beta basket with the idea that it would be hopefully a higher return, albeit at the expense of more volatility. And the stocks in there were Dynatrace, I'm sorry, we run high beta basket, which we put together on the 17th of March. And the notion here was that this would be hopefully an outperforming basket, albeit at the expense of more volatility. And the 5 stocks we picked were Trade Desk, TTD, MongoDB, which is enterprise database business, ticker MDB, Zscaler, cybersecurity business, ticker ZS, CrowdStrike, CRWD, and Cloudflare, NET. So we look at how that's gone. You can see the volatility here. In May, it was underperforming the indices, but since then it's outperformed really nicely. So it's up 34 points since the March inception versus 16 points for the NASDAQ, around 10 for the S&P. And we've included the ARK Invest ARKK ETF here as a reasonable benchmark for high beta stocks. So that too is doing really well. If we were to dig into individual stock performance, the first basket, NVIDIA, clear outperformance there. The others have done well, but NVIDIA has dragged that average up. In the high beta basket, though, we've got a decent selection of performers here. So the S&P up about 10 points in that time, ARK Invest Fund about 10 points, and the NASDAQ up about 16 points. And if we look at those, the top performer in the picks has been MongoDB, up 70 points now. Second best Zscaler at 41, Datadog 40%. Followed by Cloudflare up 16 points. So we've got 3 stocks here clearly outperforming even the most aggressive benchmark, the NASDAQ, and so it's off to a great start. Going back to the service. We also have for you an growing number of testimonials. These are real reviews from real paying members. A couple we had in just this week. I'd encourage you to take a look at the testimonials page. You don't need to be a member to read that, of course, where folks will walk you through their experience of the service, and the about page will take you in detail through all of the things that the service offers. We hope you'll be interested in taking the service. It's set at launch pricing right now, so you can sign up for $199 a month or $1,599 for the year. We also offer an extended multi-year subscription for a one-time $499 payment. So I'd encourage you to take a look. Again, Cestrian Inner Circle, you can find the link on our website. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, if you look in the comments field below, you'll see the link to the service there. So that's Cestrian Inner Circle. Look forward to seeing you there soon. One final feature, of course, is we offer a chat facility. We use a Slack private members only channel for it. And anyone who joins the service is automatically invited to that Slack members channel, where we use it for all sorts of trade alerts, members chat, heads up on things that are in the service, heads up on things that are in the market, and just adds that real-time feel to the service. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in our Inner Circle very soon.